Welcome back to the new tutorial. In this video, I will guide you how you can convert a paragraph into two columns. For example, I have this paragraph. You want to convert into two columns, then select it and then head to the layout on the menu bar and you need to click on the columns and click on that and you need to click on the more columns. And here you need to click on the two and your paragraph will be converted into the two columns. And here you can adjust the width and the spacing. For example, you can increase the width and you can see the preview. The preview will show that the width of the column is decreasing. And similarly, if you want to have some space between the two columns, then you can increase it. And here it is. If you want a line between the columns, then you need to click on the line between. And here is you want to apply to the selected text or whole document. You need to select the selected text and then click OK. And here it is. Your paragraph is converted into the two columns. So this way you can easily convert paragraph into two columns in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.